Hello, welcome to Knowledge Shower. I am Komal Jain and our today's topic is determiners. Today we are going to discuss what are determiners and its type. Before moving forward, जिन्होंने भी अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि उन्हें मेरे हर वीडियो की रेगुलर अपडेट मिलती रहे। बिफोर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड लेट मी गिव यू एन इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन कि हमने ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन ट्यूशन क्लासेस स्टार्ट कर दी हैं। बाकी की इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको स्क्रीन पे अवेलेबल है। फॉर मोर डिटेल्स यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट और व्हाट्सएप ऑन द गिवन नंबर। You can also connect with us through our app and through Instagram. The link is provided in the description box. चलिए अब बिना किसी डिले के वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। So firstly, what are determiners? So determiner is a word that introduces a noun. It always comes before a noun, not after that. It also comes before any other adjectives used to describe the noun. For example, this is a pencil. So this here is the determiner and pencil here is the noun. So this is coming before the noun and is introducing the pencil, the noun. I want some of your t-shirts. Here the determiner is some and the noun is t-shirts. As usual, some determiner is coming before the noun and introducing the noun. Let's move towards type of determiners. So there are six types of determiners: possessive determiners, ordinal determiners, numerals determiners, articles determiners, quantifiers determiners, and predeterminers. Okay. So next are possessive determiners. It's talk about my, you, we, her, she, his, him, he, all these things. For example, I thought my wallet was lost. So my here is the possessive noun, possessive determiners. How can we get your dog to obey? Your is the determiner. His gym shoes are on the floor. So his is the determiner. Her marriage was a disaster. Her. The tiger licked its paw. Its. Our vacation was fantastic. Our. The lawyers knew their client was probably guilty. So there, we are not using names as possessive determiners, but here my, you, we, they, his, her, she is the possessive determiners. नेक्स्ट है ऑर्डिनल डिटरमाइनर। मोस्टली it is used in medicine. Ordinal variables often describe the patient's characteristics, attitude, behavior, or status. Examples of ordinal variables might include stage of cancer. It is stage 1. It is stage 2. You are having the stage 3 cancer. Education level. For example, I am in the elementary level. I am in the secondary level. I am in college. Pain level. The pain is very mild. The pain is moderate. Oh, the pain is very, very severe. Satisfaction level. I am very satisfied. No, I am very dissatisfied with this. My feelings are neutral, satisfying or very satisfying. Agreement level. Strongly disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. So when these are the words, you will find these will fall in the category of ordinal determiners. Next is numeral determiners. It is related to the numbers. For example, there are 2 books over there. So 2 is the number, numeral determiner. There are few books over there. So there are 3 types of numeral determiners. First is definite numerals. That means you know what is the number 2, 3, 4. Indefinite numerals, you don't know what is the number. It is few, little, some. You don't know the exact number. Then Next is distributive numerals. They refer to each one of a number, every person, each player, each person. Next is articles. A and the. A. Used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. I need a phone. Use the first time we introduce an object. I saw a movie last night. And is also used when there are no vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Here, see the example. I need a phone. Phone is starting with P. That is not a vowel, so we will put the A. I saw a movie last night. Movie. Movie starts with M. That is not a vowel, so here we will use a. An is used when there are vowels. For example, I have an umbrella. I have an ice cream. So when there are vowels, you will use an. When there are no vowels, you will use a. The. Used for specific objects or objects that both the speaker and listener know about. Can you give me the books on the table? You already know which books you are talking about. You're talking about the books that are on the table. Used when we mention the object again. The movie is based on a real life incident. So you know which movie you are talking about. Next is quantifiers. Quantifiers are words that indicate the quantity or amount of a noun. For example, he keeps 6 beetles in a jar under his bed. So quantifiers जो हमें quantity बताता है. If you spend less time on your Xbox, you would get more homework done. She scored more with her second dive than her first. In no time, he had plenty of apples in his basket. Several lions had escaped from the first cage. Each child had enough to last a whole month. Both had spent on all their money before the third week in August. Remember one thing, quantifiers is only concerned with the quantity or amount. So don't get confused between quantifier and numerals. Demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so this is the last time. It is also known as predeterminers. Both are same. So demonstrative adjectives are used to represent a place. Demonstrative adjectives are also known as demonstrative determiners or possessive demonstrative. There are words used as demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are also known as demonstrative determiners or possessive demonstrative. So this, that, these, those. These are the 4 demonstrative adjectives. This tells about where is the thing. Where is the thing? Which is the thing? What is the thing? Is it mine or not? This house is old but solid. You can also say this house is mine. ये मेरा house है. So this house is mine. This ship will sail south tomorrow morning. So this is used when the thing is near you. That is used when the thing is far away from you. Are that greenhouse yours? Can you help me park that car? The car is away from you, very far from you. So this and that are used when there is one thing. But when there are many things, then these and those are used. For example, if those many things are near you, you will use these, and if those things are far away from you, you will use those. We bought these candles for our wedding anniversary. Those children can speak French in their school. So this is the end of the session. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.